Welcome to the Industry Leader Update. FHA recently announced their solution for the displacement of younger non-borrowing spouses, which will begin this August 4th. Now, this will allow the inclusion of spouses under the age of 62. While certainly good news for future borrowers 62 and older with younger spouses, the nagging issue does remain for spouses who are currently not on title once their spouse and primary borrower has passed away. However, surviving spouses are not the only party at risk of foreclosure. What about the heirs of reverse mortgage borrowers who wish to actually keep the home? Last Wednesday, 2 U.S. senators sent a letter to HUD calling for increased enforcement of existing rules which may prevent foreclosure of heirs of HECM borrowers. Senators Barbara Boxer and Senator Charles Schumer implored the agency to take additional measures to ensure the heirs of a deceased borrower are not forced out of their homes, quote, illegally. At the crux of the matter is the Rule of 95. According to the senator's letter, HECM lenders are required to offer heirs the option of satisfying the reverse mortgage loan by paying 95% of the home's present appraised value. According to a recent New York Times article, this option is not always offered. The article prompted Senators Boxer and Schumer to write the agency, quote, "The failure on part of the mortgage companies to offer the option of satisfying the loan by paying 95% of the home's appraised value unfairly penalizes a borrower's family members and heirs who are unable to obtain refinancing to pay off the loan." While anecdotal evidence points to a problem, the question is just how widespread is such a predicament? Now, for situations where deceased borrowers had substantial equity in their reverse mortgage or in their home, the heirs may be motivated to keep the house. National Reverse Mortgage Lenders Association President and CEO Peter Bell told Reverse Mortgage Daily, quote, "The Times has part of the story. It doesn't fully explain this as an issue that results when there has been no post-death conveyance of the property. HUD's rules have required that there be a post-death conveyance in order for the 95% rule to be applicable. The catch is post-death transfers and title. Bell explains that in cases where a spouse or child is added to the home's title before death to avoid probate, the 95% purchase option would not be available. A post-death transfer is required, and lenders who act to foreclose when no such transfer is present are showing proper and compliant behavior. The senator's letter urges HUD to issue a mortgagee letter to clarify how the existing reverse mortgage loan obligation can in fact be met, and clarification to loan servicers as well. Now, I would be safe to say if such steps are taken, we will see additional disclosures in the near future. Now, what are your thoughts? Have you ever dealt with a foreclosure of a property that the surviving heirs wish to keep? And just how widespread do you feel the problem really is? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and have a great week.